Today we are going to discuss real numbers. Example 3. Show that any positive odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3 where q is some integer. So already we have discussed the previous sum. Any odd positive integer is of the form 2q plus 1 and even positive integer is of the form 2q, but here it is given instead of 2q plus 1 it is also in the form of 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3. So let us proceed. So we need to write the statement. Let a be any integer. Let a be any integer. Let a be any integer and q also. Let a be any integer, comma, let q be any integer. So now according to the Euclid's division lemma, a equal to bq plus r, 0 less than or equal to r less than b. A equal to bq plus r, 0 less than or equal to r less than b. Now here b equal to 4, no, because for bq plus r, b in the place of b 4 is there, so b equal to 4. So b equal to 4. So let us write the Euclid's division lemma for this according to the condition. So now a equal to 4q plus r. A equal to 4q plus r. Now what is the condition? 0 less than or equal to or less than, what is b? B equal to 4. Now let us write the values of r. So what is the value of r? R is, it is equals to 0 and it is greater than 0 but it is lesser than 4. So that means 0, 1, 2 and 3. 0, 1, 2 and 3. So these are all the values of r. 0, 1, 2 and 3. 0, 1, 2 and 3. So now let us write let us substitute in this part. And q already we have written q is equal to some integer. So let q is already some integer. Q be some integer. It's not any integer, so like some integer. Let q be some integer. So now a equal to 4q, because plus r 0 means just 4q only. Then a equal to 4q plus 1, a equal to 4q plus 2, a equal to 4q plus 3. A equal to 4q plus 2, a equal to 4q plus 3. Now q is some integer, no? Q is some integer, no? Q is some integer means, so let us substitute from 0. 0, q equal to 0, q equal to 1, q equal to 2, q equal to 3. Q equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Q equal to 0 means a equal to 0. Let us substitute for all the values. Q equal to 0 means a equal to 1. Q equal to 0 means 4 into 0 plus 1. Q equal to 0 means a equal to 2. Q equal to 0 means a equal to 3. Q equal to 1 means a equal to 4. Because in the place of q we'll substitute 1. Q equal to 1 means 4 into 1, 4 plus 1, 5. Q equal to 1 means 4 into 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. Q equal to 1 means 4 into 4, 4 plus 3, 7. Q equal to 2 means 4 into 2, 8. Q equal to 2, 4 into 2, 8 plus 1. Q equal to 2, 4 into 2, 8 plus 2, 10. Q equal to 2, 4 into 2, 8, 8 plus 3, 11. So now Q equal to 3. 4 into 3, 12. Already 12, 12 plus 1. 12 plus 1 is 13. Again this 4q, no, plus 2. So 14 will come. 14. Or q equal to 4 into 3. 4 into 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15, no. Now let us check it out, the answers which are odd integers. So let us mark the odd integers. So what are all the odd integers? These are all odd, no? Odd integers. These are all odd numbers, no? And you see here, these are all even numbers. That is 4 cube plus 2, it is even numbers. You see here, this is all are odd numbers, no? 11 and 15, no? So any odd positive integer is of the form 4 cube plus 1 and 4 cube plus 3. See, that only they are asking to prove. So 4 cube plus 1 or 4 cube plus 3. So now let us write the final answer. Therefore, any positive odd integer is of the form 4 cube plus 1 or 4 cube plus 3. Here it is, they itself given it is odd integer. They itself given it is odd integer, positive odd integer. Positive, it is not negative, because integers it will go minus infinity to plus infinity. That is why q we have taken for some integers. So under the condition some integer, because we need only the positive values. All the best. Thank you.